Good morning children, welcome back to class 1 math class. Today we are going to learn about shapes. Okay, in this shape, first we are discussion about these topics. What that one? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. First, see here how to draw square, how to draw. In before we are learn about lines. That lines use and draw the shapes. Okay, see here first one square. Okay, first one square. How to draw square? First see here, first standing line like this. Okay, this one standing line. Next sleeping line like this. Okay, sleeping line, same length. And here standing line and sleeping line. Okay, this is square. How to draw square? First standing line and sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Okay, in this square how many sides are there? Okay, how many sides? See here, this one side. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 sides. Once again draw square. How to draw? Standing line, next sleeping line and standing line and sleeping line. Okay, next how to draw? Tell me. First standing line, next sleeping line, next standing line, next sleeping line. Okay, in this square how many sides? 4 sides. Count here. 1, this one is the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many sides are there? 4 sides. Okay, this one square. Next one rectangle. Okay, next one rectangle. Okay, in rectangle how to draw? First see here, long sleeping line. Okay, this one is the sleeping line. Next one standing line, next sleeping line, next standing line. Okay, long sleeping lines are long, standing lines are short. Okay, this one rectangle. How to draw? First sleeping line, next standing line, sleeping line and standing line. Okay, this one also have 4 sides. Okay, how many sides? 4 sides. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one also rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Okay, see here how to draw rectangle. Standing line short. Next one sleeping line. Next standing line, next sleeping line. Okay, in this rectangle how many sides are there? 4 sides. Where? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And how many corners? 4 corners. Look at here, corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And only opposite sides are equal. In this rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Look at here, this one opposite sides. Okay, this one opposite sides. How is there in opposite sides are equal? Here how much length is there? Here also same. Here how much is there? Here also same. Okay, this one rectangle. This one is the square. In square 4 sides are equal. In this square 4 sides are equal. In rectangle only opposite sides are equal. In rectangle only opposite sides are equal. In square 4 sides are equal. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. Next one triangle. Next one triangle. Okay, in triangle okay, triangle first how to draw? First slanting line like this. Okay, this one slanting line. One more slanting line like this. This one also slanting line. Okay, next sleeping line. This one sleeping line. Get triangle. Okay, once again triangle how to draw? Standing line, slanting line and slanting line. Means in this triangle have 3 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How many sides are there? 3 sides. Look at here. Here also. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. In triangle have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line. How many sides? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Triangle have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How to draw? Tell me how to draw. Slanting line and slanting line and slipping line. Get a triangle. Okay. In this triangle, how many sides are there? 3 sides. Where? 1. Next 2. Next 3. 3 sides are there. Once again, see here. Triangle means a triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. How to draw? Slanting line. Next slanting line. Next slipping line. Okay, this one triangle. Next one. Next one circle. How to draw circle? See here. Okay, circle. First you draw half curve. Okay, half curve. And another half. Means get circle. Okay, get circle. Draw once again circle. Curve and curve join. 2 curves join, get a circle. It is total round shape. Okay, this is total round shape. Okay, once again draw circle like this. Circle, half, curve and half. Get a circle. Okay, this one circle. Okay, in this circle, no sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. Okay, how to draw circle? Tell me. Like this. Half curve and half curve. Get a circle. This one curve, circle. Okay. In triangle has only 3 sides. In triangle 3 sides. And circle no sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. Next one. See here. Next one, oval. Oval. Next one, oval. Oval, how to draw? Like this. This is oval shape. Okay, this one, oval shape. Once again draw oval shape like this. Looks like egg. Okay, looks like egg. Once again draw oval. Okay, oval shape. Once again see here, oval. How to draw oval? Okay, this is shape of oval. Okay, see here, first one square, next one rectangle, next one triangle, next one circle, next one oval. In square, how to draw? Square, how to draw means how to draw square? Yeah, like this. Standing line and sleeping line and standing line and sleeping line. What this one is the square? This is square. This is shape, square shape. Okay, this is shape of square. Next one, in square. In square has how many sides are there? In squares has 4 sides. Look at here, 4 sides where you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And how many corners? 4 corners. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. How to draw? First standing line. Next sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. Okay, this one square, this one square. Next one draw rectangle. You know how to draw rectangle? First tell me students how to draw small standing line. Small standing line. Next long sleeping line. Means this is sleeping line. This one sleeping line. Next small standing line. Next one long sleeping line. Get this one rectangle. Which shape? In rectangle. In rectangle also have 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. Only in this rectangle opposite sides are equal. Opposite means here, look at here. This one and this one opposite. Means these opposite sides are equal. In this rectangle only opposite sides are equal. In square 4 sides are equal. Square to 4 sides are equal. In rectangle only opposite sides are equal. But corners same. How many corners? Square to 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And how many? Here rectangle how many corners? Same 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. But what is the difference between square and rectangle? Square means 4 sides are equal. Square means 4 sides are equal. But rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Okay, only opposite. Here to here how much length? And here to here also same. Okay, square means 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. But rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Okay, this one rectangle. Okay, rectangle. Next one triangle. Triangle how to draw? Tell me how to draw triangle. First slanting line means this one slanting line. Okay, slanting line. Okay, next one more slanting line. Draw here slanting line and sleeping line. Now get triangle. Okay, now get in triangle. In triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. How many sides are there? 3 sides. Okay, in square 4 sides. In rectangle 4 sides. But triangle how many sides? 3 sides. Okay, this one triangle. Oh, another model also is there. Triangle. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line. Okay, here also how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. Another model also. Standing line and slanting line, slanting line. Means how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this triangle how many sides are there? 3 sides. But rectangle 4 sides. Square 4 sides. But square 4 sides are equal. In triangle, rectangle only opposite sides are equal. In triangle 3 sides. In triangle 3 sides. Square to 4 sides equal. Rectangle only opposite sides. Only opposite sides. Next one triangle. In this triangle how many sides are there? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Next one circle. Circle first half curve and curve. 2 curves you get here circle. In circle it is total round shape. Total round shape. Like this ball. Ball which shape have? Round shape. Okay, this one circle. In this circle no sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. This one circle. Okay, this one circle. Next one oval. Oval how to draw? Like this. This one is the oval shape. This is oval. Okay, for example in oval looks like egg. In circle example ball. Next triangle ice cream. Rectangle, tell me rectangle example blackboard. Next one square example photo frame. Okay, once again discussion about square. Okay, a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. In rectangle 4 sides and 4 corners, but only opposite sides are equal. Only opposite sides are equal. This one is the rectangle. Next one triangle. Triangle means only 3 sides. Only have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 sides. Next one circle. Circle means total round shape. Total round shape. Next one oval. Oval means like this. This one shape is oval. Okay. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Okay, now I am asking questions. So tell me students, in triangle 2 how many sides are there? Tell me first. In triangle how many sides are there? Yeah, how many sides? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more question. In rectangle how many sides are there? How many sides are there? Oh yeah, 4 sides. How is it in opposite sides are equal? Opposite sides are equal. And next, square. Square means how many sides? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Circle, no sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. After watching this video, work out the worksheets. Thank you.